Hello everybody, this is Shilmay. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the May month's Vanitycask box. So I haven't opened it yet. So this is the outer box and I'm going to open it now. So this is this month's Vanitycask box. It's the usual packaging of black and it's a very classy packaging. I really liked it. Once you open the bag, this is what you get. This is the product description brochure, and all the products that have been given you inside are being described over here. So this is the one, and I can see an extra something, so I'll come to it later. And this is the bag, the actual bag where the products are. So yes, let me check what the bag for this month, or the box for this month, is called. So this month's Vanitycask is the Vanitycask's Summer Romance Edition. I've got some really nice products inside, so one by one let me tell you what the products are. The first thing that I am getting in my hand is the Mom's Therapy Herbal Hair Pack. This is the one. So this comes in a pouch, and inside the pouch there is the pack. Again, there is an envelope where inside there is the pack, and all the ingredients and other details have been mentioned here. So let me tell you about the ingredients. So it has shikakai, neem, methi, hibiscus, bhringraj, arita, amla, brahmi and jatamansi. So all these herbs are inside this amazing hair pack. I mean, I don't know if it's how it is, but only the ingredients sound so nice to me. I mean, I know all these ingredients individually work great for the hair, and I'm sure it's going to work great, this hair pack. So this is the first product that I've got. The next two things that I can see are my favorite, Monsub's sheet masks. One is my all-time favorite collagen silk mask. This is the one, and the other is the Monsub's cherry brightening facial mask. I wanted to try this one for a very long time. I don't know why. Every time I book from their website, I book something else, and I don't know why I skipped this, but I wanted to try this. And thanks to Vanitycask that they have given this sheet mask. I am a sheet mask fanatic, I can say, and I use every day. I mean, every day I apply a sheet mask on my face, and I am also running with a 60 days of sheet mask series, and I have completed 1 month of sheet mask. Like 30 days I've already completed, and this month, the May month, is going to be another 30 days. So yeah, that's all about my sheet masking story. So yes, I'm so happy that they have given this. The next thing that I can see is the SOVA Shea Butter and Kumari Body Lotion. This is the one. So every month they are including something or the other from the brand SOVA. I like the brand. Their products are very simple, you know. It's like they don't have a lot of things together inside. It's very simple and it works really good on the skin or hair, whatever. So this is the third product, and the fourth product is the McCaffeine Caffeine Shower Gel with taurine and vitamin E. This is the one, the beautiful blue colored bottle. I don't know. I mean, this has a very strong smell. I'm not sure what kind of smell it is. It smells something like, it's very familiar. It's very familiar to me. I think I know gents perfume or gents fragrance which has a similar kind of smell, and it's very strong. I'm not a fan of this fragrance really, but still I'm going to use a little bit of it to check how it works on the skin. But the packaging is cute. and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it continuously because I'm not a fan of that strong smells. So anyway, this is the other product they have given. Now the last product that they have provided is the Vôtre Day Moisturizing Gel. This is the one. So again, Vôtre is another common product that they have been providing in the boxes, and I'm really happy because I love using Vôtre products. Their products are very nice. They work good on the skin. And these are all the products that are provided inside the Summer Romance made Vanitycask box. So these products look good to me, especially I'm very happy because they have provided sheet masks again, and I'm a big fan of sheet masks, as I said. If you are subscribing the Vanitycask box for 3 months or 6 months, along with your 3 months or 6 month subscription right now, they are giving this pouch from Vôtre, and let me tell you what's inside the pouch. So here is the full Botanical Day Gel Cream SPF 38 PA+++. This is the one that you are going to get, and also the Vôtre Face Serum. The price of this serum is 1,670. Both these products are full size. This cream costs rupees 1,350 and this serum costs rupees 1,670. So all total it comes up to 3,000 rupees. So you are getting like 3,000 worth of product if you subscribe a 3 months or a 6 month subscription box from Vanitycask. And I think it's a great deal because I have personally used a lot of Vôtre products. I haven't used these two particular products, but I'm sure these are going to be great, especially this serum. I have heard a lot about this serum and I am looking forward to using it, as well as their day creams. I have used other creams from Vôtre and they work wonders to the skin. They are very lightweight. Most of the products are non-greasy, very lightweight and perfect for this humid summers. So yes, these are the products that you're going to get if you're subscribing for 3 months or 6 months. So that's all about it. That's what is inside the May month's Summer Romance edition of Vanitycask box. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.